Hello, my dear students. How are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Алтибаева Gulbanu Ибадуллаевna. I am a biology teacher. Today, we are going to discussing about cell division. Types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Imagine you cut your skin. After some time, this wound is healed. What happens during this healing process? What do you think about this process? The injured skin, after some time, heals and the new skin appear, yes? Skin cells divide by mitosis and close the wound. All living things, like bacteria, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, has cell division. You know, life is made up of cells. You will explain the importance of mitosis and the meiosis for growth and development of plants and animals. New terms: egg cell, sperm cell, haploid cell, diploid, injury, cancer cell, genetic information, division, reproduction, health, chromosome, regeneration. Translation: egg cell, аналық жұмыртқа жасушасы. Sperm cell, аталық жұмыртқа жасушасы. Haploid, gaploid, diploid, diploid, injury, жарақат. Cancer cell, обыр жасушасы. Genetic information, генетикалық информация. Division, бөліну. Reproduction, көбею. Health, емдеу. Chromosome, хромосома. Regeneration, регенерация. Яғни қайта қалпына келу. Match words with picture. Match terms with pictures. You should find it terms. This picture, what is this? For example, this picture, egg cell. And then this, what is chromosome? Chromosome. 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 This here. Let's continue. We should continue this task. Mitosis, division of cell into two identical cells, each containing the same number of chromosomes. Meiosis, division of cell resulting in 4 cells, each containing half number of chromosomes. Cell division is the process of formation of new cells. Before cell division, a cell grows, prepares needed materials and store energy. Chromosomes are structures inside the nucleus, which contain genetic information. Body cells have 2 times more chromosomes than reproductive cells. This picture cell. Yes. In the cell, located nucleus. In the nucleus, you know, chromosome, DNA, yes, and genes. Reproductive cells have a number of haploid chromosomes. Body cells have 2n number of diploid chromosomes. In human skin cell, there are 46 2n chromosomes. Sperm cells have 23 n chromosomes. In dog liver cells, there are 78 chromosomes. Egg cells have 39 chromosomes. There are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Haploid cells, reproductive cells have n single chromosomes. Body cells have 2n or diploid. Mitosis is a process when one diploid cell 2n divides and forms two identical diploid cells. Newly formed cells known as daughter cells. Mitosis occurs in body cells. By mitosis, organisms grow, repair body parts, and reproduce asexually. Meiosis occurs only in reproductive cells. During meiosis, diploid cells divides 2 times and forms 4 haploid cells. Two divisions are meiosis first and meiosis second. By meiosis, sperm and egg cells are produced. Meiosis makes distinct gametes, diploid, haploid, yeah? Mitosis clones body cells, diploid. Sperm and egg cells are produced by meiosis. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Haploid cell with one of each chromosome. Example, sex cells are haploid. Sperm and egg cell. Diploid, a cell with 2 of each chromosomes. Example, body cells are diploid. Liver cells, skin cells, eye cells, yeah? Text and task. We should do task. First task. We should put words. 1 words, 1 points. For example, first is the process of formation of new cell. What kind of words put? Cell division, yes? Cell division is the process of formation of new cells. Cell division. Okay. Before cell division at cell, what? Grows, yeah? Grows. Prepares, needs materials, and store energy. Let's continue this task. Homework, research scientific materials and write a 150 200 words essay on topic what would be if there wasn't any mitosis in life. Literacy questions. What occurs if reproductive cells are formed by mitosis? Explain. Why is regeneration not done by meiosis? Third question. Cells formed by mitosis are known as daughter cells. Explain why. Our lesson is over. You should do tasks and read on page 116 and on page 117. And you should do tasks and read facts about cell division types and the mitosis, and write essay, and learn by heart new terms. Goodbye. Our lesson is over. See you soon.